Me and Mike are sitting here, and these girlies keep peeking around the corner and looking at Mike and laughing. I think he saw me. He saw me. Here they come again. Let's see who's coming. Madeline and Mia, Alexis, Rachel, Skylar, Mia. They're crashing. Skylar. Hi, Skylar.
Hey.
What's going on?
We're just running up and down, and running away from him.
Running away from Mr. Murphy? How come?
Because
It's funny.
we're trying to not, we're trying not to be seen.
Okay. Good job. Keep up the good work. You're invisible.
There they are. Yeah. Come on out. Come on out and say hello.
Hi, everybody.
Hey. I wasn't doing it. I was just watching what they were doing.
Oh, okay.
She started. And I didn't want to get in trouble for my mom. Okay.